Hey there, kids. Today, let's talk about a fruit that's soft, juicy, and super sweet, the peach. Have you ever taken a big bite of a ripe, juicy peach? It's not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that are really good for your body. Let's find out why peaches make such a fantastic snack. First of all, peaches are loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin is like a shield that helps protect your immune system so your body can fight off colds and infections. By eating peaches, you're helping your body stay strong and healthy, which is especially important during cold and flu season. Peaches are also a great source of vitamin A, which is really good for your eyes. Vitamin A helps you see clearly, especially in low light. So, if you want to keep your eyesight sharp, a juicy peach is a great way to give your eyes a boost. Peaches are packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene. These antioxidants act like little superheroes inside your body, protecting your cells from damage caused by things like pollution or sunlight. They're also great for keeping your skin soft, smooth, and glowing, so eating peaches can help you look and feel your best. Peaches are also rich in fiber, which is fantastic for your digestive system. Fiber helps keep your stomach and intestines working smoothly, making sure everything moves along just right. If you ever have a tummy ache or feel a little full, eating a peach can help make you feel better. And did you know that peaches are made up of almost 90% water? This makes them super refreshing, especially on hot days. Eating peaches is a fun and tasty way to stay hydrated and cool when you're playing outside. So, kids, the next time you snack on a peach, remember all the amazing things it's doing for your body. Peaches aren't just yummy, they're also packed with vitamins, fiber, and hydration to keep you healthy and strong. Enjoy your peaches, and stay healthy. See you next time.